everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the 28 Days to Splits Challenge. Today is day 23. Let's get started. We have a 5-minute stretch. So, starting this time in a pyramid pose. So that means we're gonna be standing or make a down dog pose. From here, step forward with your right foot, and this is your pyramid pose. Now you can actually place both of your hands, arms on the front leg and just enjoy the stretch. Try to reach your knee with your head or just hug the leg. Keep the legs as straight as possible, please, because we want to open the hamstrings. Breathe, stay here. And now we're gonna switch the legs back to down dog. Step forward with the left leg. Okay, nicely done. And now stretch. Breathe, stay here. Okay, and let go. Nicely done. And now we're gonna grab one pillow and we're gonna go for the splits. And of course, here's your daily self-love affirmation. I do not let fears hold me back. I do not let fears hold me back. Okay, ready for the splits? One pillow works just fine for me. For this leg. Breathe and hold. We've got this. I do not let fears hold me back. 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 Okay, let's switch legs. Just breathe. I'm still struggling with this leg, but that's fine. I'm not perfect. Neither you are. So just keep striving for progress. Keep doing your best and you'll get there. We are in this together. Few more seconds. Okay, nicely done. Whoo! Thank you so much for joining me in day 23. Here's your self-love daily assignment. Write down 5 affirmations and affix them to your mirror. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.